So guys, the Samsung Galaxy Note20 is merely a week away. While everyone was hoping to see Snapdragon chipset on the global variants of Galaxy Note20 lineup, Samsung decided to stick with its Exynos counterpart. Samsung has already received huge backlash for using Exynos chipset on its flagship devices. In fact, many fans out there decided to create a petition on the same. Well, it looks like Samsung is going to heavily optimize its Exynos 990 SoC for the upcoming Galaxy Note20 series. The new report claims that the Exynos 990 has been improved and seems more like 990 Plus. Essentially, it is said that the Exynos 990 chipset packed inside the Galaxy Note20 smartphone is different from the one found in the Galaxy S20 series launched earlier this year. The Exynos 990 chipset has been optimized with improved performance and will be on par with the newly announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. However, this is just a claim by a tipster and we need to test the device once it launches to confirm the claim related to improved performance. The tipster also says that the Exynos 990 SoC on the Galaxy Note20 series will run just as cool as the Snapdragon model. If the new improved chipset is real, then Samsung will market the Exynos 990 for Galaxy Note20 to be better as well. As for its other specifications, the Samsung Galaxy Note20 is expected to come with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus flat display and 60Hz refresh rate. The phone could have a triple camera setup on the back consisting of two 12-megapixel sensors and a 16-megapixel sensor. The device is also said to come with features like Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 6, IP68 rating, stereo speakers. Running on Android 10 with Samsung One UI on top, the device will be powered by a 4300 mAh battery. Coming to the pricing, we recently saw the European pricing of the product appearing online. As per the leak, the lineup will start from €999. This pricing is for the LTE variant that will miss out on numerous features such as next-gen S Pen, 120Hz refresh rate display, micro SD card expansion and latest Gorilla Glass protection. For those who's unaware, the Galaxy Note20 will act as the Note20 Lite, while the Note20 Ultra is going to be a true flagship successor. The Galaxy Note20 Ultra will also cost higher. It is expected to be priced the same as that of the S20 Ultra 5G launch price. So that's it for today guys, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.